Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Epson LABELWORKS 203YLBYPX Heat Shrink Tube Black Review Engineering Excellence Inches A Box. Inches the high-stakes world of electrical installation, cable management, and industrial organization. Reliability isn't just a requirement, it's the backbone of safety. When you are dealing with critical wiring, you need a labeling solution that withstands the harsh environments of job sites. Check the video description for the updated price link. Enter the Epson LABELWORKS 203YLBYPX Heat Shrink Tube, a powerhouse accessory for the Epson industrial label printer lineup. Designed specifically for professional-grade wire and cable identification, this black-on-yellow, 3mm heat shrink tubing is engineered for those who demand precision, durability, and a flawless finish. For those of us constantly working with intricate cable layouts, the experience of using the right tool is transformative. It isn't just about the clarity of the text, it's about the tactile satisfaction of handling high-quality materials. When you feed this genuine Epson tubing into a compatible industrial printer, you notice the immediate difference in its build quality. It's a seamless operation, mirroring the premium feel of high-end, button-responsive machinery. Whether you are upgrading your setup or looking for the perfect accessory, this tube fits perfectly, much like how a related product guide helps you optimize your high-performance hardware configurations. There is a specific joy inches working with equipment that responds exactly as you expect. The Epson Industrial Label Printer, when paired with the 203YLBYPX tube, offers an experience defined by physical feedback. As you navigate the interface, the button responsiveness is crisp and deliberate, no mushy inputs here. You get that reassuring mechanical click that tells you your command has been registered. This tactile grip extends to the application process of the heat shrink tube itself. Unlike cheaper, flimsy alternatives that tear or smudge, this genuine Epson product has a substantial, premium feel. It has enough rigidity to hold its shape during loading, but enough flexibility to shrink perfectly around AWG 16 to 22 cables. Genuine Epson quality engineered to the highest standards, ensuring long-term adhesion and legibility. Perfect fit specifically designed for 3mm diameter applications, ideal for AWG 16 to 22 wire sizes. Industrial toughness resistant to oil, chemicals, abrasion, and extreme temperatures. High contrast black print on a vibrant yellow background provides maximum readability in low-light industrial settings. Shrink to fit reliability, the material provides a snug, professional wrap that remains permanently secured to the cable. Inches the field, you don't have time for equipment failure. My testing involved subjecting these labels to significant physical handling, oil exposure, and the inevitable tugging that cables undergo inches a rack. The Epson 203YLBYPX performed flawlessly. The material maintains its integrity, and the text doesn't fade or peel, a common issue with inferior products. When you hold the printer and the feed mechanism catches the tube, you can feel the quality. The gear engagement is precise, resulting in a consistent, clean print that you can rely on for years. The tactile grip quality of the tubing itself before heat tinges slightly textured, providing a nice friction point when sliding it over the wire. Once heat shrunk, the grip becomes incredibly tight, essentially becoming part of the cable itself. For anyone who appreciates the click-and-clack satisfaction of a well-made machine, this entire system printer and supply is deeply satisfying to use. Will this fit any standard label maker? No, this is specifically designed for Epson LABELWORKS industrial printers. It will not fit consumer-grade models that doesn't work with larger gauge wires. This specific model is sized for 3mm diameter, typically covering AWG 16 to 22 range. For larger wires, you would need the appropriate size from the Epson range. Is the print quality affected by the shrink process? No, the genuine Epson material is specifically designed to maintain print clarity through the heat shrinking process. Check the link in the description to get yours today.